Namaskaram everyone, welcome to Quick Trading. So today we are going to see Bank Nifty intraday triangle. So this is a known strategy for each and everyone, but we are going to see the backtest results in a different view so that you will know how many days from last 60 days, 60 trading days you will be end up in the end of the day profit. Okay. So and also in previous one of our videos we already discussed this triangle in Nifty, but that is positional one. Here we are going to see the intraday triangle in Bank Nifty. So let us quickly jump into the strategies. Strategy is very simple. There are no indicators involved. We are going to sell the OTMs from the current 2 plus or 3 minus contracts, and 30 point stop loss, 60 points target, and it is recommended one trade per day. But again, it's your wish. If you want to take more risk, you can do any number of trades per day. Okay, let us jump into the streak. So if you see, I selected CE 3 from current ATM to 3, which is 300 plus in CE, current weekly short. Similarly in PE, from current to -3, so down 300 points, current weekly short. So here I selected 3 in both cases because of the with respect to the current Indian VIX. So if Indian VIX is high, so the premiums also will be high. So it is bit risky if you take 3. So based on the Indian VIX, you need to take the offset values. So if you see from last 3 months, Indian VIX is around 12 to 18, 12 to 15, 16, 8 is around that. So 3 is working pretty fine. But if your VIX is more, it's better. You can change these offset values, depends on the Indian VIX. Okay, so I selected 5 minutes. Quantity is 2. Here I'm giving just blind condition, which satisfies every time. Nifty Bank closes higher than 0, which satisfies each and every time. Okay, and 30 points stop loss, 60 points target. Since it is points, we have selected points, and one strategy per day. Time I given 9 to full day. So I'm testing till today. Bank Nifty intraday triangle. Let us see the results. So as you see, there is a 74,000 profit out of 124 calls. 63 are profit, 61 are. As you see here, you may think that it is just 50% accuracy, but it is not so. Let me show you these results in a different view. At the end of the day, what will be your profit? Whether you are in profit or negative loss, right? So here, if you see, streak currently is not giving profit or loss per day basis. Here they are just adding the cumulative ones, but which may not solve our purpose. So what we are going to do, I'm going to download these both backtest results. I created small application just to calculate the day's profit, so that we'll be know at the end of the day what will be whether we are in profit or loss. So our application is started. Since we downloaded, let us go here. We need to select the files. CE. I have inserted this data. Now I'm going to select PE. I have inserted both this data. So if you see, all this data came into my database with the day's profit already been calculated along with the day on which day. Sometimes we may need to analyze based on the days, like Thursday most of the strategies may not work. So let us save this. Bank Nifty intraday Bank Nifty triangle. So let us open that file and analyze how it looks. Okay, so let us pull out PE into a different sheet. So this is the day's profit of PE. I'm going to copy here. PE days profit. Okay, let us add the conditional. So there are many chances that one side stop loss may hit, but we may get profit in another side. So this is how it is. Let us add CE plus PE. At the end of the day we can see whether we'll be in profit or not. CE plus PE. Greater than 0 is good. Less than 0 it's bad. So as you see, in last 60 days, 1 2 3 4 5 6 days, 7 days, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 days. So this is negligible, doesn't matter. So almost 6 to 7 days. So if you see, almost in last 62 trading days, 55 days are you will be end up in profit. Okay, so these are the cases maximum loss where both sides stop loss hit. 30 point stop loss hit in CE, 30 point stop loss hit in PE. That is which is just a 6 days. Out of 62 days, almost 55 to 56 days you will be in profit at the end of the day. Okay, so I feel this is pretty good. Just see the backtest results and take a decision if you want to implement, do paper trading for few days, and then instead of doing multiple trades, it is recommended, it is better if you can increase the quantities slow by slow. So it will be great if we see profit at the end of the day in our positions. Okay, cool guys, thanks for watching. We'll come up with more interesting strategies. Let us see how we can evolve. Thanks for watching.